Okay, so welcome to Tuning Your Ukulele 101. The first thing I want to show is the app I'm using. It's called Ukulele Tuner. It looks like that. And it's available for free on the App Store. The reason why I like this one is that, see those numbers dynamically changing in the middle there, right about there? That is an oscilloscope. An oscilloscope tells us what frequency at which we are vibrating. So when I pluck this string, which is the string that's underneath the dark blue sticker, the G string, it tells me that I'm vibrating at 384, which means I'm flat. And I know that because it tells me down here I need 392.0. So I'm going to just turn this until I get that string highlighted in yellow. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the C string, which is this one, and it's supposed to be at 261. So I'm going to turn that until it turns a happy color. There it is. Now I'm going to go on to my E string, which is this one over here. It's the one that's going to have the light blue sticker underneath of it. And I'm going to twist the knob that goes with it, which is this one right here, until I get to 329. There it is. And then lastly, I'm going to do the A string. And again, I'm twisting the knob that's connected to that string, the one with the red sticker underneath of it. And I'm going to turn it until I get to 440. And now my ukulele is tuned.